When Mary went to tidy her late husband Henry's grave one chilly Monday, she never expected to uncover something so disturbing. While sweeping away leaves, she noticed a strange, wide hole right beside his headstone. At first, she thought it might just be an animal burrow, but the more she looked, the deeper and darker it seemed, almost as deep as the grave itself. Worried, she found the cemetery's caretaker and showed him. He dismissed her concern, insisting everything was fine. But the neglected state of the cemetery made Mary doubt him. Uneasy, she called her son, hoping for reassurance. Instead, he brushed her off, telling her to stop worrying and head home. Still, Mary couldn't shake her gut feeling. Henry would have checked if the situation were reversed, she thought. Determined, she slipped over to the custodian's shed, borrowed a spade, and began digging near the hole herself. It wasn't long before an elderly man appeared, demanding to know what she was doing. Once Mary explained, his tone softened. His wife was buried nearby, and he didn't want her disturbed either. Together, they dug carefully, the man's strength making the job easier. But then, the spade struck something solid. They froze. The man dug again and revealed a wooden surface. Henry's coffin, much higher in the ground than it should have been, with a gaping hole chewed through one side. Mary's stomach turned. Had grave robbers been at work? Shaking, she called the police, who arrived quickly and cordoned off the area. After inspecting the site, they lifted the coffin to investigate. The hole was clear, but its ragged edges didn't look man-made. A specialist soon confirmed the truth. Rodents had burrowed beneath the grave and gnawed through Henry's simple pine coffin. Worse yet, the cemetery had failed to bury it deep enough or seal it properly, allowing pests to get inside. When Mary heard the explanation, she broke down in tears. Her husband's resting place, disrespected and desecrated because of negligence. With the help of the kind stranger who'd assisted her, she filed a complaint and later a lawsuit against the cemetery. She eventually won and used the money to rebury Henry, this time in a proper grave closer to home, where she could visit often. Mary's story is a chilling reminder. Always trust your instincts, and make sure your loved ones are cared for, even after they're gone. Can you imagine how Mary must have felt when she saw that hole? What would you have done?